They say the tower leans, but the foundation holds.
So this is the famous Leaning Tower? Doesn't look very stable to me. Still, it's kind of charming. Guess I'll give it a pass.
I saw a wall of silent stone built by fear and pride. A tourist stood there shaking his head, said, "Looks like mine." But underneath the mortar where the compass draws the line, there's a bridge that's waiting just across the great divide. I traced my hand along the plumb, felt the square against my chest. The large room candle flickered low, put my doubts to rest. From Solomon's old quarry to the medieval West, we're not raising cathedrals now, we're raising up the best. So what are we building, a fence or a door? A chain that will bind us, or something worth fighting for? Build bridges, not walls. Let the river run through. Hand on the square, brother, I'll stand next to you. From the valley of the shadow to the mountain of the truth, we're masons of the heart now, we're building something new. Build bridges, not walls. One hand, one light, one call. They said we hide in mysteries, a secret brotherhood, but every lock I've ever opened led to something good. The widow's son still walks the road, the rough ashlar stands, waiting for the working tools to shape unfinished hands. I asked the master, what's the word? They whispered in the tiler's ear. He said the only mystery's the one you face in the mirror. And knock 3 times and ask yourself what keeps you in the fear. Then lay the first stone outward and make the pathway clear. What are we guarding? A treasure or a wound? A key or a sentence? A temple or a tomb? Build bridges, not walls. Let the river run through. Hand on the square, brother, I'll stand next to you. From the valley of the shadow to the mountain of the truth, we're masons of the heart now, we're building something new. Build bridges, not walls. One hand, one light, one call. I used to think the light belonged behind a guarded gate, that fellowship was membership, that trust was earned by weight. But Newton wrote the Builder's Creed in ink that wasn't mine, to form mankind a brotherhood redemptive and divine. So I laid down the trowel of judgment, picked the level up instead, stopped measuring who was worthy, started breaking bread. The Jew, the Christian, Muslim, all who bow the knee to the great architect who builds through you and me. People aren't real people without that bridge. The meaning of the world, it never rearranges. Just the same hopes, same tragedies, same fears, same changes. But what changes is my hand reaching over silent water. What changes is your voice answering like a son or daughter. So if I wait, you wait, everyone waits. No builders,
To
no
form
bridges,
mankind into
only
a great redemptive
locked
brotherhood.
gates. So let the whistle cry across the valley where I stand. Let the bagpipe call the lodges of a long-forgotten land. I'm building for the man who thinks he doesn't have a prayer, for the stranger at the door who's just learning how to dare. When I'm gone, let them say it, carve it on my stone. He was a builder of the bridges, he never walked walked along from the Blue Lodge to the Celestial, from the gavel to the grave. The only walls I ever built were the ones I helped them brave. So what are we building? A fence or a door? A chain that will bind us, or something worth fighting for? Build bridges, not walls, let the river run through. Hand on the square, brother, I'll stand next to you. From the valley of the shadow to the mountain of the truth, we're masons of the heart now, we're building something new. Oh, build bridges, not walls. One hand, one light, one call. Build bridges, not walls. Build bridges, not walls.
Be friends with all men, however they may differ. Fill every human relationship with the spirit of friendship.